Steve, happy with the point, or is it 2 thrown away?
No, I think it's 2 thrown away today. Listen, I can't fault the performance. On another day, we win it by 3 or 4. Had a few real good chances, bit sloppy in and around the final third. But yeah, I think it's 2 points drop for me.
Now, be honest with me from Pamwandwe. did you mean it?
If I'm being honest, I was just putting it in an area, back post. But it just couldn't get any more back post than that, could it? So I'll take it. Listen, I'll take it. So yeah.
Take us through the goal.
Just literally opened up my body, and I thought I'm just going to try and just dink it back post, and it's gone more back post than I expected, and it's gone in, and it looked like quite a good goal from my angle, so yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, goal's a goal, and listen, to get a point for the team as well, especially to get our first point since the split, yeah, I'll 100% take it. Yeah.
The victory for Flint today means there's a 3-point gap at the bottom now. You're running out of games?
No, not really. I think it's all to play for, if I'm honest. You know, you can look at another way. We've pulled Britain Ferry in a point closer. They got beat yesterday. Look, there's 8 massive games to go. You know, with a 4 or 5 point swing, anything can happen in 2 games. You win 2 back-to-back games, you're out of it. But I think this will go right down to the wire myself.
Nathon ni ddechrau digon o ddawol a cwpl o hanner gyfleoedd a wedyn nathon nhw really tyfu yn y gêm. Y cyfle gath Ryan yn hanner gyntaf, os mae hwnna'n mynd mewn, mae'n gêm gwahanol. Maen nhw'n mynd lan ar ochr arall cae, cwpl o funudau gweddill ac dyna beth sy'n digwydd. Mae fe'n taro chi, os nad ych chi yn digon o derys i cymryd y manteisio yna. So, ar ôl hanner amser, nathon ni newid cwpl o bethau, oedd gêm bach gwahanol ail hanner.
Be nathoch chi ar yr egwyl, achos oeddech chi'n dîm hollol wahanol yn yr ail hanner?
Newid siarp, newid personnel, canol cae. Oedd un lawr dyn ni, oedd 3 yn erbyn 2 gyda nhw oherwydd siarp ni yn erbyn nhw. Just matcho lan ychydig bach a just chwarae o tu nôl o bel a wedyn trio cymryd fwy o cyfleoedd a cael y ffait yna nôl. Unwaith nathon ni brwydro, nathon ni wario a ffindo ein pêl-droed ni ychydig bach. Ddim yn berffaith ac mae'r cae gymodau a nhw hefyd yn atal ni weithiau. Ond nathon ni brwydro mewn i'r gêm bach yn well a un cyfle ar y diwedd gyda Ryan falle ar diwrnod arall, mae fe'n rhoi hwnna yn y rwyd hefyd.